What is a special assessment? You may or may not have heard this term when you were buying a condo, so let's talk about it. When you become a condo owner, you're most likely going to be paying an association fee. A portion of that fee might be going to a reserve fund, which is going to be used if there's any repairs or renovations required for the building. Now, sometimes these repairs and renovations might cost more than what's in the reserves, or the condo building might not have reserves. So if that's the case, a special assessment will be assessed to make those repairs and renovations. Now, the special assessment might be a fee on top of your association fee. It might be a small increment or it might be a large chunk. Special assessments can become a burden on condo owners. Some people buy a condo because it's less maintenance, but sometimes there's going to be maintenance required and it's going to be a shared expense amongst the condo owners. I recommend that condo owners set money aside for a rainy day when it comes to their property. Sometimes when these special assessments pop up, it can cost a lot. After the Surfside collapse, you can expect that there's going to be a lot more special assessments, especially on older buildings. And new buildings are not in the clear when it comes to special assessments. Sometimes in Miami, the construction of these buildings are not done well. Even a brand new building might get hit with a special assessment.